the special forces in Uganda, which are commanded now by Museveni's son, Muhoozi, they were created just literally about let's say about a year ago, by the Americans. CIA took part in the first operation in Congo against so-called LRA. So they created it, they made him the commander, they've given him all the arms to arm that thing. Museveni is now using that special forces to kill our people.
But eventually, Vincent, I think as in the case of Egypt, many of my Egyptian friends say, we keep blaming the West, and we should, because their gains are making the situation worse. But it is time for the people of the Arab lands and North Africa and Africa to say, it's us. It's our responsibility. We did this. It's our leaders, and we have to stop it.
Can I ask you, just slightly changing this a bit, do you think, there was this horrible bombing in Morocco, in Marrakesh, do you think that there are some Arab governments, however, and Morocco might be one, which are capable of reforming from within, and were doing so, and that's perhaps why there was the attack there, or not? In other words, do you see that there are some governments, there are some reformists